Hi friends, Uh, today I am going to discuss about data mining tasks. So in this video, just I want to give categories of functions. Later I'll explain about categories of functions. Now, data mining tasks. Data mining deals with the kind of patterns that can be mined. So on the basis of the kind of data to be mined, right? So based on the requirement of the end user, data must be mined. There are two categories of functions involved in data mining. The first one is descriptive, second one is classification and prediction. So these are the two major functions of data mining tasks. First one is descriptive function. Descriptive function. The descriptive function deals with the general properties of data in the database. So I can say that property of an entity is called attribute, right? The descriptive function deals with the general properties of the data. So here is the list of descriptive functions. In descriptive function, class or concept description, mining of frequent patterns, mining of associations, mining of correlations, mining of clusters. So these are the 5 main descriptive functions are available. I'll give explanation in my next video. Next one is classification and prediction. Classification and prediction. Classification is the process of finding a model that describes the data, classes or concepts. So there, in the first function, that is descriptive, concentrate on attributes. So here, finding a model that describes the data, classes or concepts. That's the difference in between these two. The purpose is to be able to use this model to predict the class of objects whose class label is unknown. This derived model is based on the analysis of sets of training data. I'll give explanation about training data. This is really useful in data mining concepts. The derived model can be presented in the following forms. First one is classification. So we can call it as if-then rules. Second one is decision trees. One of the major topics in data mining is decision trees. Third one is mathematical formula. Fourth one is neural networks. I'll give explanation about these four, that is classification, decision trees, mathematical formula, neural networks, in my next video. I'll make one proper video say about these functions of data mining tasks, so you will get good knowledge on these data mining tasks. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.